Today, we will go over the Watcher Template Redaction feature in CaseGuard. The Template Redaction feature in the Watcher applies the previously saved redaction template to all files in the Watch folder. You do not need to do anything within CaseGuard while running the Watcher. Template redaction is especially useful if you have multiple documents that follow a similar structure and have personal identifiable information in similar locations on the documents. With your Watcher named, folder locations chosen, and operation dropdown set to Redact Document, click the Add button. The Redact Document operation checklist will appear. Check the Perform Template PDF Redaction checkbox. A dropdown will appear. Select the previously made template to use on your files. Now click Apply and then Save. The Watcher should now appear in your Watcher tab. As you can see here, we have 0 files in our Watch folder, so let's add some. If we open both the Watch and Output folders side by side, we can see the Watcher's progress. I will go ahead and copy 10 files from a different folder into the Watch folder. Now you can see the Watcher recognizes there are 10 files to process and begins processing them. The original files are moved to the Processed folder. Files added to the Watch folder are processed and exported to the Output folder. Now if we open the exported files in the Output folder, we can see the same template redaction was applied to all files. Comparing this to the original files that can be found in the Processed folder, you can see how they have been redacted. Hope this helps.